and they are bubbling and beautiful, and I would say another 15 minutes they're going to be perfect. So I'll check back in 15 minutes. Hey guys, this is Sandy, Girl with the Grill. Scalloped potatoes, which we are going to get these on the grill because they'll take about an hour, hour and a half. So I'm going to make my scalloped potatoes and show you how to do them. Then we're going to grill them, put them on the Yoder for about 90 minutes at 375. So let's get started. Okay, we're going to assemble our, we are going to, okay, so I'm going to slice my potatoes on the mandolin. And they're going to come out very even, very consistent. I like it this thickness. I don't like mushy potatoes, so I slice them a little thicker than most, but I really like it that way. So we're going to slice our potatoes. I'm using about 8 Yukon Gold potatoes. Okay, I'm going to slice the rest of the potatoes and then we're going to layer them in the casserole. Be very, very careful. This blade will cut your fingers off. They are extremely, extremely sharp, but they are an efficient piece of machinery and an essential tool for your kitchen if you're doing anything like this slicing. So let me slice the rest of these and then I'll be right back. All right, let's put our scalloped potatoes together right now. I've got them all sliced and ready to go, and I've got all my ingredients. And what's beautiful about scalloped potatoes, which is, gosh, I love them so much, they're just an incredible side dish, is that you can really layer them with anything that you want. What I do is I use white chopped onion. We put ham in it. We put green chili, okay, that I was just draining. This is chopped hatch green chili. Wonderful. Oh my God, it's going to be amazing. Cheese, kosher salt, fresh ground pepper. I have melted 3 tablespoons of butter, and our flour as a binder. It'll help us thicken everything up. Then we have our milk. Okay, so let's do this. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to just brush the bottom of my pot with a little bit of melted butter. And then I'm going to layer, first layer of potatoes. Then a little onion on top of that. A little parsley. This is just curly parsley. You can use Italian parsley. Little salt. Little fresh cracked pepper. A little bit of green chili. A little bit of ham. And now a little bit of butter. On top of that, we are going to put a little bit of flour. And then we repeat the layers. The cheese here goes on top. So we're gonna save that for last, but we're gonna do another layer of potatoes. Another layer of onions. Parsley. Salt. fresh ground pepper. Green chili. A little bit of flour. A little bit of butter. A little bit of ham. All right. I'm gonna finish this up and I'll be right back. Okay, so we've done all of our layers. It is ready for the grill. The last step is gonna be 1 3/4 cup of milk. And I'm not gonna pour it directly over the potatoes. I pour it on the side so we don't disrupt anything. And this will cook for about 90 minutes, 375 grill or oven, until the potatoes are done, until everything is bubbly. Doesn't that look pretty? It's gonna be absolutely delicious. So, got a piece of ham. So, we're gonna put this on the grill uncovered, and when it's done, we will top it with the cheddar cheese. Meet you at the grill. Okay, we are ready to put it on the Yoder at 375 degrees for about 90 minutes. And we're gonna do it on the top shelf, uncovered. As you can see, it's raining in the desert. It's either raining or snowing where I live, geez. Anyway, doesn't stop me from grilling. So I'm gonna put it right there and I'm just gonna monitor it, and it should be phenomenal. So we're gonna check back in about an hour and check the doneness of the potatoes and see how everything is doing. In the meantime, we're gonna just let it go. All right, guys, it's been 1 hour, 10 minutes, and I'm checking on our scalloped potatoes, and they are bubbling and beautiful, and I would say another 15 minutes, they're going to be perfect. Okay, so our scalloped potatoes are done, and they're in the oven warming. They came out beautiful. I can't wait to try them. And our scalloped potatoes for tonight. I'm going to taste my scalloped potatoes that we did on the grill. Perfectly done. Cheesy goodness on the top. It's hot. Oh my God, it's so delicious. This is Sandy, Girl with the Grill. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm going to enjoy this incredible dinner that I made. If you like this video, hit subscribe. Thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate it. Now it's dinner time. Thank you for joining me. Catch you later. Bye.